Okay, so we're just going to go through my PowerPoint. The first three are the ones that how it should not be, and the last three are going to be how it should be. So when we see this PowerPoint, the first thing we notice is the text is red, and the font is a weird font. It might not be legible to some. Another thing is that the pictures are off-centered, like drawing away attention from the PowerPoint. And then when we go to the second slide, again, we notice the font's a little weird. It's not like a Times New Roman. And then again with the color, it's like a light blue, so it's going to be harder to see the most. And then when it comes to the text, there's just a lot of text, which is something not necessary when you're giving a speech with a visual aid. And then the picture that I put, it's highly distorted, so there's really no use to have that there. Then when we go to the last slide, then again, we see the color's green, and it's just going to be drawing attention away from me, who's going to be giving the speech. And also I wrote like a paragraph when we should be following the 6x6 rule. And the picture's pretty good here, but it's a little off-centered. And now when we get to how the PowerPoint should be, we notice that the text is now much better. It's black, easier to read, and the pictures are centered, drawing attention to where we want the attention to be. And when we go to the second one, we notice the font's again black. And now when we go to the text, we are following the 6x6 rule. It just gives the main point of what I'm going to talk about. So then I can just keep on going with my speech rather than having the audience read off my presentation I have. And then here we go, same thing. Text is readable. The color of the font gives a nice contrast, making it easier to read. There's not a long paragraph. It just gives the main point and then allows me to go on with my speech and explain what that point is. And the picture is now better centered. That's it. Thank you.